Officer needs help with Adams' name. Corvette team.
Welcome to Police Speed, where every action scene reaches the pinnacle of excitement. Get ready for heart-pounding chases, unimaginable dangers, and the most intense moments captured on camera. If you're looking for thrills that make your heart race with every action, this is the place for you.
111, 110.
Helicopter footage shows high-speed chase of Florida man wanted in doctor's stabbing. Nicholas David Parchesco, 28, a suspect in a stabbing, was pursued by Indian River County Police after fleeing on I-95. On October 4, 2023, Parchesco was arrested after police used several tactics to stop his vehicle. He faces charges of attempted murder and is being held on $100,000 bail. No one was injured during the chase, and information about the victim has not been released.
Back southbound.
Dispatch has been updated.
Yes, 1032 traffic. This information, he is armed.
Subject on the ground, prone down. Stand by. Stand by.
111, 110.
Armed robbery suspect drives U-Haul backwards in attempt to escape police. In Omro, Wisconsin, an armed robbery took place when the suspect attacked a 65-year-old man during a Facebook Marketplace car sale transaction. The victim was injured in the struggle, and the suspect fled in a U-Haul truck. Police quickly pursued the suspect across multiple jurisdictions. After officers successfully deflated the truck's tires and used a PIT maneuver, the U-Haul was disabled. The incident occurred on July 15, 2024.
Helicopter.
Losing his tires, he's gonna be westbound down Johnson. Say it's gonna hit.
Sorry, dispatch from Brandon Fairwater 678. 678.
Police chase ensues after Florida fugitive flees traffic stop. In Jacksonville, Florida, Alexandria Mason, 42, was stopped by police for a warrant from Citrus County. After refusing to comply with orders, Mason fled and led officers on a chase on I-95 on May 29, 2024. The chase ended when the Florida Highway Patrol, FHP, successfully performed a PIT maneuver and arrested Mason.
FHP's taking over lead, inside lane, northbound, 90 miles an hour.
I-2, pit.
Hit complete.
Pomona police shoot suspect who pointed gun after car crash. In Pomona, California, Kenneth Gennardini, 60, fired shots after an argument with his wife and then crashed into another vehicle while fleeing. Police negotiated for him to surrender, but Gennardini pointed his gun at them, leading to a shooting. Police used an armored vehicle to safely extract an uninvolved driver from the scene. The incident occurred on June 9, 2024.
Dude, come out with your hands up and you
Show me your hands! He don't want to come out. He said for us to go get him.
Hey, let me get this in your fucking dog. I don't give a shit, you motherfucker. I got a fucking loaded gun. I'll shoot you.
Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! He's saying he has a loaded gun, Gary. Keep your hands up, sir!
Hold on, I need a burner or someone else down here. I need to have to control this guy's arm, and I got to check on this other car.
Show me your hands, sir. Just keep your hands out the window.
Better bring out the Bearcat if you can.
You're only gonna get my loved one too.
Just leave your hands up!
Fuck your hands up. Come and get me. Shoot me, bitch.
Keep your hands up, sir. Hey, what's going on with you, boss?
My wife's a fucking cheap fucking cunt.
Okay, well, let us help you. Let's not make this any worse.
Shoot me.
I don't want to shoot you.
Put me in fucking sleep.
I don't want to shoot you.
Fuck her.
Okay?
Fuck you.
Hey, let's offer you help. Hey, take a deep breath and relax.
Eastbound or westbound hold shut off also.
We don't want to do that. Sir, those people in that car are hurt. I need to help them, but I can't because I got to deal with you.
I don't want no fucking
out here.
But I got to deal with you.
I'll shoot myself.
No, leave your hands up.
Hands where I can see my
Keep your hands up.
I'm reaching.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up, sir.
Let me see your head.
Sir, don't do it. Put your hands up. Cease fire. Cease fire. Cease fire.
Fire.
Keep your hands up, sir.
Let me see your head.
111, 110.
Westbound 82.
Twelve and 13-year-old boys lead Seattle police on chase after stealing a car from a driver at gunpoint. In Seattle, Washington, two boys, aged 12 and 13, carried out two armed carjackings, fired shots into the air, and stole a Subaru Outback. Police located the vehicle and pursued it, ending the chase when the two young suspects tried to flee but were caught. Guns were recovered, and both boys were charged with robbery and illegal possession of weapons. The 13-year-old was also charged with escaping from a police car. The incident occurred on February 13, 2024.
I got right. Drop the gun. Don't please stop. Let me see your hands. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Here. Take him. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Now. Get on the ground.
Stay down. Your hands up.
On your stomach. Now. On your stomach. Do not move.
We have two in custody. Taking two in custody. We have two firearms ditched. Going to let the job, we'll clear.
111, 110.
In Indian River County, Florida, police arrested 3 suspects, including Yuriber Gonzalez Lopez, 18, Jack Darlington, 20, and a 17-year-old juvenile. On November 28, 2023, after they stole a BMW and attempted to break into another vehicle. All 3 face multiple charges related to auto theft.
10D, BK is the Mercedes. Yep, they're gonna bail. Stand by. please. Vehicle's taking off. Head on for an Uncle Sam. Stand by. Let Vero know, please. Let Vero know.
Where they at, Johnny?
Right behind you. They got him cornered in. Stand by. Western entrance. Stand by. Alright, I need more units down there, please. Canine, there's one more in the back. Tony, there's one guy in the back still in the car. Just hold your position. Everybody hold tight. There's still more guys in the vehicle. Hold tight.